We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1970 Dodge Charger RT factory V code 440 6-pack, factory Plum Crazy, 4-speed pistol grip, track pack, Dana 60. Just a great car. Bottom of the car is like the top of the car. Riding on the Goodyear polyglass. Factory two-tone black interior, cloth inserts. Just a nice car. Again, it's Westport Auto Center. We're located in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. We'll pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Let's go over the car here. We haven't had a chance to do anything. A couple teeny light scratches there. Those should come out. Bumpers are nice. Few, and I'm being picky in the sun, few tiny, like somebody had rubbed on it a little bit. Headlights work. I believe everything on the car is functioning except the factory radio. Factory radio is not powering up, but super nice car. Again, you want to fly in, check it out in person. We're more than happy to pick you up. Just forward us your flight itinerary. St. Louis International, Lambert International, one and the same. Wing windows are in great shape. Top's in great shape. All the chrome trim and bright work is nice on the car. Package tray on the back. More than happy to pick you up, take you to one of our 3 warehouses, take it out for a drive, put it up on the lift, make sure it's a good fit. We do have financing for all these vehicles. We have 3 lenders. There's a little imperfection right down there. We'll address that. But we have great financing, 3 lenders. Great terms, great rates. Usually it's 10% down, credits everything. We'll do a demonstration here of the everything functioning, but here again, the wing window, fantastic. Just a really nice car. There's what everybody's wanting to see. Correct radiator, the 956. It's got the correct harmonic balancer on it. It is numbers matching. Engine in the Chrysler Registry. Partial build sheet. Correct carbs, correct distributor. Just a cool car. Interior's in great shape as well. Sun's kind of bleaching it out, but this is a factory two-tone with the cloth insert, vinyl with the cloth insert. That is factory correct for this car. Tack works, clock. Gauges, horn, wipers. We got it. The wipers were not working. And the tic-toc tack was not working. We've addressed those. Factory radio is not working. But what a great car. You see the clock working. And of course the piston grip. You want to start that up, Haley? All right. Again, this is numbers. Give it a little gas. Great running car. Track pack car. 354 shear grip. 4-speed Dana 60. Heavy duty suspension. Heavy duty radiator. Now we got the hideaway headlights. Put the emergency brake on. Just go around to the other side. We're gonna do the video. Blinkers, lights, all that good stuff.
Headlights, high beams, low beams, close. Driver blinker, passenger blinker. The horn's working. Wipers. Wipers are functioning. Tail light. Brake light. Driver blinker. Passenger blinker. Reverse lights.
Dome light. Dome light. I still got it in reverse. That's the reverse light indicator for there. And there's our alternator. Oil pressure. Temperature, fuel, and then there's the tick-tock-tock. There we go. Take a first spin. Fly in St. Louis International, Lambert International. More than happy to pick you up. If you can't make it, third-party inspections are what we welcome them. No problem, we'll accommodate them. Again, put it up on the lift, make sure it's a good fit, take it out for a spin. We have great financing. www.westportautocenter.com. You'll see all the detailed underneath pictures, picture of the build sheet, Chrysler